How does one begin to create order?
You want to identify where there is the disorder.
Mm-hmm.
So if you were to look at the first phase or the first step of it,
Mm-hmm.
it's like, well, where is my client really suffering?
Mm-hmm.
Like, what are they really suffering with? So our business is kind of interesting because we deal with a thing called a paradigm. And most people are completely oblivious to this paradigm. We all want more, but we don't know why we're not getting it. And some of us are actively searching. But if you don't discover that it is your paradigm that is controlling your life and producing your results, then you'll be searching in the wrong place till the day you die.
Yeah.
So you have to understand what is the real cause of that disorder. And then you just focus on mastering, creating order there. That's what I do, and that's what I've done.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And I've been compensated for that.
Yeah. Makes sense. What do you think it is about your personality or who you are that draws you to that specifically? Like, I want to help create order in someone's mind. What do you think drew you to that?
Oh, I don't know.
Just
like I don't want to
intuitively was drawn to it.
Oh, we're probably all drawn to something. Like,
yeah, we are.
Like
With
I don't
callings,
wanna,
maybe.
Yeah, like I don't want a cleaner helps create order in your house. I don't
Yeah.
want to be a cleaner.
No.
Right? Every work is noble work
Mm-hmm.
in how you do it.
Mm-hmm.
Right? I don't know. I'm born that way, I guess.
You
I
were
don't
called
know.
for it.
Yeah. I think we all have some form of a destiny, or we all have aptitudes that we enjoy.
Mm-hmm.
And this just happened to be one of mine. Thank God I found it.
Yeah.
Because when I was a carpenter,
it's unique.
Yeah, it's different. It's very weird when people ask me, like, what do you do for work? It's kind of weird. I just say I'm a mindset coach now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just what I say. But no one understands what that is. It was easier when I told them I was a carpenter.
Yeah.
Because that would make an image in someone's mind, right?